Hello, good day. My name is Maria Princesa Arnacar. I'm 25 years old. I live in Pasig City, Philippines. I have a live-in partner with 3 kids from they are now 9, 4, and 2 years old. I'm happy and I'm independent person. I worked before in Pangasinan, Philippines as a household helper for more than 2 years. I finished my contract. I serve for 3 members of the family. My duties and my responsibility is cleaning the house, cooking, washing, ironing their clothes. I taking care with their baby. I taking bath for the baby, preparing baby's milk, comfort the baby if crying, playing with the baby, taking baby to sleep. Sometimes I sing lullaby for the baby. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Ma'am, sir, if you choose me, I will do my best. I will focus on my duty and my responsibility. Thank you, ma'am, and God bless.